Really bad. Good morning, guys. It's your boy Butch from Imperial Autos. You see, you gotta do what you gotta do to make money. I got a hustle, right? This is cool. So we got the boat with a stripper pole. Imagine all the parties we're about to have. Welcome to Imperial TV. So I'm gonna show you something that's super sexy here. This bad boy right here. I call it Barney. It's a beautiful, beautiful purple color. So we did an IDS custom exhaust, which is an in-house fabricated exhaust, and it's like from the cat back. She didn't want, the owner of this vehicle, of course, didn't want to do any tune or any cat delete. She wants it to be as stock as possible, but with an exhaust. So it's pretty badass. You guys want to check it out and see what it sounds like? Sounds really good. Sounds really good. Matchy, purple tips. Titanium, treated, purple body, perfecto. Beautiful car. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Also, we had to do some calibration and stuff like that for the front sensors, because apparently somebody took off the front bumper cover to do some clear bra modifications to the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. Shall we? Let's go. So, this is a 2022. It's pretty badass, not gonna lie. So this is what it sounds like when it's on off-road. This is what it sounds like just like regular Strata. Sport. See, the exhaust kind of like modifies the sound. When it's on Corsa, it's meaner, so it's pretty cool. So let's go put it back at sport and see how it changes. The reason why we test drive a vehicle every time before we give it back to the client, because the exhaust has shut-off valves to make it quieter, louder, and sometimes that spring can spring out because of heat. So that's why we gotta test drive it, make sure everything's good, everything's functioning right, and everybody is happy. Beautiful car. So if you guys been watching Imperial TV, do you guys remember when we were building this car and customizing it and picking out what we want to put on this beauty? And then here she is, gorgeous. So as soon as I got it, I told Pablo over here at Lamborghini using the GM, hey, car comes in, do not touch the car. I want to be able to unwrap it, touch it, do whatever I want to do with it. Why? It's a gift. If I get my own gift, I would like to unwrap my own gift. I don't want nobody to be unwrapping my gift that I bought. He's like, it's up to you, sure, whatever you want. So, as you guys seen on the previous video with Hookah, as soon as I got the car, I was with Hookah that day. I was like, dude, my car is here. Let's go unwrap it. We went there, unwrapped it. Fucking the best feeling ever. Work hard, play harder. Remember that. Thank you, Dios. Thank you, God. Thank you, Allah, for an amazing blessing. I'm blessed.
This dude, he has his own edition.
It's my
It's
own
unbelievable.
edition. Yes, my own touches, my own edition. Why? Because even though when you order the black badge comes in the black chrome, which is still chrome, but it's
It's darkened, yes.
Yeah, so I didn't like that. You know, I like super black, same color as the car. Everything's just.
What
like
about
super
the-
elegant? Same thing. That one, same thing.
Do y'all paint this one?
Yeah.
Paint it?
Yeah.
Wow.
What we do is like we blast them and then we.
The most badass wheels. Those are chingón, man. Shit, I love it. You're gonna miss it.
Oh yeah.
But you had your fun with it, right?
I had my fun. I think I had like maybe 20 blowjobs already in there. I had maybe.
Can I borrow it for one night,
Maybe-
please?
Maybe. I probably fucked 100 or 200 times in it.
I hope in
mean,
the backseat.
I can't remember. It's just that it's crazy. So everything is
So it's
sanitized,
service purpose.
cleaned up.
So.
Yeah. We'll just put it in a blanket or a towel, and then,
And I was just sitting in the backseat taking move.
I love it actually. I love it. Yeah. See, it's very, very roomy. Oops, there's a lot of makeups all over the place. It reminds me of her. Which one?
Which one was it? Do you even remember which one it is? Or how many did you go through with this car?
A little bit of Jessica.
Dude, this is a little bit of Jessica. This is softer than my cat, man.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Beautiful. Holy crap.
I should do this, guys. Check out my chest hairs.
We're a little bit X-rated talking today, right? I don't want to
A
know
little more
about all
back
this.
hair.
Yeah, you're Habibi. You naturally you have that.
It's a V12 Rolls-Royce engine, I guess. Similar to the BMW 6.75 actually.
Catching one.
Yeah, it's a big engine. It's super quiet.
It's super quiet, super slow.
You can't even hear it. I'm literally selling it for more than
But you pay less than this.
oh yeah.
Look. All made in Germany. The engine from Germany, transmission from Germany, the assembly is in
Brand.
UK, yeah. Technically as a BMW and a night cloud.
It is pretty much a BMW but sampled in Britain. So it's not bad. So look at the original price. I used this car. I put 10,000 miles on this car.
How many miles did it have once you got it?
When I first got it, it had very, very low miles.
Okay.
Like maybe a couple hundred. So I sold that car for more than the retail price.
But you didn't pay retail when you bought
I didn't pay retail when I bought it.
it. Wow.
So I'm basically making about $55,000 right now.
That's the deal.
So-
The thing is, if you want to go and buy another one, it's not going to be a good. It's not a buyer's market right now.
But hey, you know what? It's part of my bucket list. Where like, you know
It's
what?
out.
I want to get me a Rolls-Royce. Now I already have a Rolls-Royce. Now I'm getting rid of the Rolls-Royce.
Yeah. Maybe 6 months from now, you'll be.
No,
Maybe downside.
no,
No, it's not going to be ever anytime like surplus and
no,
this
because
cars.
I'm more like a fast adrenaline person, like fast car. If I want something that's like quiet,
Damn foreigners, man.
if I want something that's quiet, because I have the Escalade. Remember, the Escalade got the Super Cruise.
Plus, you got that badass Lambo
The
right there.
Urus. Oh, have you seen the Urus?
That's I've never
show
seen
you.
inside of it. Pretty much RSQ8.
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck is that? That's your edition. Stop factory. Stop factory. Change your course up? No, factory my ass, man. That's not factory. How's that? Factory. Is it? Come on. Back check. Crazy. Holy crap.
This is just exhaust. See how it lowers when you
Lowering
turn
itself,
Corsa?
yeah.
It's pretty cool. So, here, so that they get louder and more power, or if you want to just stick This is a literally $12,000 exhaust. I off-road a little bit. Like when we go rallies and all this and that, my car will freaking jump in the air.
So it's better you have more rubber on it.
It's better to have rubber for a better grip. That's why when you have a rally car, they're not gonna put you a low profile tires, like, you know what I mean? They put rally tires. You know what I mean? Something with thick tires. So for the looks,
they don't look aggressive as these, but
for the looks, it's great. It looks gorgeous. It's really, really beautiful. Today wasn't that bad at all. It was very productive. We did a lot. The only thing I haven't done is putting my fucking seatbelt on. It's kind of annoying, isn't it, right? Especially in this car. Alright, so before I post my post, we're going to a restaurant that is supposedly a Tulum vibe. So I really look forward to go to check that place out. It's called Casa Nomad. And it's by Shepherd in the Heights. So that's gonna be badass. Can't wait. Let's check out their cocktails, check out their drinks, check out their food menu, and see what kind of vibe they have. And we taking the Rose, so that's gonna be cool too.
The Rose.
Yep, we're gonna pack it up with some girls. The seats are empty, so very cool. I'm excited. I'm very excited. We're gonna go have a good time, but I'll try my best to like come home early so that way I can catch up on my sleep. That way I can have another productive day tomorrow. Because tomorrow it is gonna be a badass day. It's Friday, so it's gonna be crazy. And hopefully I get the STO tomorrow. Hopefully. Keep my fingers looking like they're crossed. I don't know what that means. Well, that's it for tonight, guys. This place is pretty badass. Is it Tulum vibe? Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I'm from Tulum, so it's like, it's alright. Got a little bit of vibe, but maybe I'll twist it later. But that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Imperial TV. Have a good night. Ciao.